Difference between who and whom. Use this simple trick. If you can replace the word with he or she, use who. Peter is the one who wants to go. He or she wants to go. Not him or her wants to go. I need to know who makes the final decision. He or she makes the final decision. Not him or her makes the final decision. I know who your best friend is. He or she is your best friend. Not him or her is your best friend. If you can replace it with him or her, use whom. With whom am I speaking? I am speaking with him or her. Not I am speaking with he or she. To whom this may concern. This concerns him or her. Not this concerns he or she. A number of friends went to the cinema, one of whom was the birthday boy. The birthday boy was one of them. Not the birthday boy was one of they. Let's test your understanding with this who versus whom test. Question. Who or whom is paying for this? Answer. Who is paying for this? Question. Who or whom wants dinner? Answer. Who wants dinner? Question. This is the lady who or whom I told you about. Answer. This is the lady whom I told you about. Question. To who or whom were you talking just now? Answer. To whom were you talking just now? Question. Who or whom is going to the cricket game? Answer. Who is going to the cricket game? To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.